Hey guys, this is what page is this from? I deleted it. It's from page 6. So this should have page 6 at the bottom. Let me put that back. Page 6. Now, so this problem came from page 6. Let me blow it up a little bit. It says solve algebraically for y, and it gives us this inequality. I'm going to do it two ways. I'm going to show you first how to graph it and find the answer using the graphing feature. I'm going to graph this as a relation, and then I'm going to show you how to find the answer, and then I'm going to do it algebraically and show you how to get that answer as well. All right, so let me start by graphing it. Just like we were doing before, we're going to graph this. Whenever you see an inequality, you always have to graph it as a relation. You cannot graph it as a function. So it must be graphed as a relation. So I'm going to take this whole inequality and I'm going to graph it as a relation. So let's go do that. So click on here, press escape, get the calculator. All right, so first thing I'm going to do, go tab. I want to get rid of this equal, and I'm going to graph this as a relation. So I'm going to type in 4. Remember, whenever you're graphing relations, you can only graph x's and y's. You can't graph anything else. So I'm going to put 4 parentheses, y minus 3, close the parentheses, and then control inequality less than or equal to, and it's going to be 4. And then it's going to be parentheses 2y plus 1. And I press enter. Now, you'll look at this and go, wow, what is that shading? Why is there a block of blue up here? And basically what that means is you're shading above this line right here. This line right here is the answer, and everything above it is also a part of the solution. Now, to find this number, all we're going to do is do menu 51, and it tells me that the y value is a -4. So my answer is going to be a -4. Now, so let me go here. And so I'm going to have this. It's going to be y, and then it's going to be, was that a -4 or a +4? It's a -4. So I'm going to put y, and then I'm going to put a -4. Now the question is it going to be greater than or less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to? And this is how you tell. It's pretty simple. Since the shading is above the line, that means it's going to be greater than. Everything greater than this line is the solution. So I go back to my iPad, and I'm going to say greater than or equal to. And that's the answer. Now, if I just write this answer, I will get 1 point because I didn't do it algebraically. In order to get the full credit, you have to do it algebraically. So I'm going to do that right now, and I'm going to show you how to do it algebraically. So let me erase this. Actually, well, I'll erase it. We know that the answer is y is greater than or equal to a -4. All right, now, I'm going to solve this. So I'm going to do it 4 times y. So this is going to be 4y. This is going to be 4 times a -3. So this is going to be a -12 is less than or equal to 4 times 2y. So that's going to be 8y. And then I'm going to do 4 times 1. And that's going to be +4. I've gotten rid of the parentheses, which is what you should always do. And now I'm just going to move the 8y over here. So I'm going to subtract 8y from both sides. So over here, I'm going to have a -4y. And then I'm also going to, because I want the numbers on the other side of the inequality, I'm going to add 12 to this, which means I have to add 12 to this. By the way, 8y minus 8y is going to be 0. 4 plus 12 is going to be 16. So I don't need to put that there. So my answer is I gotta take this, divide both sides by -4. So this is going to be 1y. This is going to be a -4. Now, because I divide it by a -4, I have to flip the inequality. So the inequality was less than or equal to, but now it's going to be greater than or equal to. Now, this was the same answer that we got on the calculator. So that's how you could check it. We see that the answer is a -4. That's also what we got when we did it algebraically, but that would be, this would be 2 points. The other way that we did it, just graphing and putting down the answer, that would be only 1 point. All right, hope this has been clear. Let me stop recording and post this.